Hi, bud. Hi, good evening.
How you doing? Jeffrey Luffman?
I am.
All right, I have a paper for you. It's plenary order protection.
Yeah.
Were you aware this was coming?
No.
Okay. It looks like it's the one, Mark Skirtich is the protected party.
When was it issued?
This was issued on...
22.
Yeah, 5/22.
What's your name and badge number?
My name is Deputy Reckman. My badge number is 336. Actually, let me take a look at this thing real quick. Madison County. Okay, here it is. So, it's emergency stalking, no contact order.
It's
So
emergency for 2 years.
No, I'm sorry, not emergency. Plenary, no stalking, no contact order. Issued on March 22nd. It's valid until March 21st, 2027.
Or until
okay?
it's overturned in federal court.
What?
Until it's overturned in
okay.
federal court.
Yeah, if that's the case, if you're taking it that way.
It's already there.
Okay.
It's filed today.
All right.
Thank you.
So, hold on. I got to do what I got to do.
Gotcha.
So, you're the respondent in this. The Mark Skirtich is the petitioner. Findings from the judge, the stuff that you can get in trouble for if you violate. Respondent, you, is prohibited from threatening to commit or committing stalking personally through third party. Respondent may not contact the petitioner or other protected persons in any way, directly, indirectly, through third parties, including but not limited to phone, written notes, mail, email, or fax. No social
So if
media.
I make a
anything like
complaint to you about them, is that stalking?
What do you mean?
Well, I mean, if I do a complaint for them for felonious behavior,
You can file a report, but you got to file your report with your agency where it occurred.
Okay.
Okay. So Collinsville PD, where
Yeah.
you're at, if they're doing something here to you.
Okay.
Respondent be ordered to stay at least 100 feet away from the petitioner or other protected persons, residents, school.
So here's the deal.
Yeah.
I live across the street.
Right.
Am I breaking it right now?
No.
You sure?
Yes.
Do I need a tape measure?
You don't need a tape measure. 100 feet, you're outside of the 100 feet. The other thing is too, it'd be like if your neighbor got an order of protection, they're not going to kick you out of your house because your neighbor got an order of protection against you. Or
Okay.
if you got one against them, they're not going to kick that out.
Right.
So you just need to
Do
stay
public
stay from that.
officials normally go through family court in order to get orders of protection for Freedom of Information Act requests?
I have no idea, sir.
Well, you should
I
have
don't-
an
these
idea.
are-
If you're depriving a citizen of their rights, you should know why you're here, don't you think?
I'm just serving with the judge's order.
Just the orders.
I
Just
serving the
followed
order.
orders. Sig Heil.
If you have a question about that, you need to contact because this is
It's already in
essentially a
federal court.
civil.
I just filed
okay?
it today.
Okay.
Yeah.
Other injunctive relief prohibited from contacting petitioners on work or personal phones, email. Essentially, the same thing.
So if they watch my social media, aren't they stalking me?
Are they commenting on you, or are they just watching?
Well, yeah.
I mean, if you're putting it out there on social media, it's public domain.
Right.
So
if they're watching my videos,
same thing if they have a YouTube channel and you're watching YouTube.
If I'm watching their videos, I'm stalking them. But if they're watching mine, they're stalking me.
It all depends. Are you making comments on it, or are you just watching?
Well, I use my freedom of speech.
If they're putting it out there.
Yeah, I mean, they're a public official.
Yeah.
If I use my freedom of speech to discuss their behaviors, I think that's covered under the Constitution, don't you?
That's the Supreme Court. I'm not an attorney.
Yeah. Well, you know what? It turns out the attorneys are pretty corrupt too, and I'm just sitting back looking, and it looks like the judges are corrupt, and I'm just trying to figure out if anybody's got any integrity at this point.
Yeah. There you are,
All
sir.
right. Yep. Have a good night.
All right, you too.